the Finance Gym Action Plan for a Better Life with Money video series. My name is Stacy Powell, and if you're ready to not just know better, but do better with your money, then you've come to the right place. And today, we're going to talk about insurance. Like, oh my gosh, insurance and all the stuff around insurance. And I'm going to show you a little visual that I have in the book of the cogs around you and all the different kinds of insurance and related types of things there are. Everything from health insurance, which is kind of one of those things we should all have, to auto insurance, to the smaller things like flood insurance, renter's insurance, dental, disability, long-term care. Oh my gosh, like the list goes on and on and on. The chapter of the book that graphic is in is called the grown-up stuff. And dealing with it sometimes is like, feels a little like drudgery. A few videos back I talk about adulting, like when we finish a task like making a decision about insurance, it's like, good job, Stacy. You did it. You sat down, you read, you talked to a professional, you made a decision. You know, some of those are easy, like auto insurance, it's kind of against the law to not have auto insurance, right? Health insurance, it's kind of sort of against the law to not have health insurance, or at least it's very costly. But how do you make decisions about all the other kinds of insurances that, yeah, it'd be great to have it, but you're trying to get your budget right-sized with your income and your spending, and if you buy all those insurances, are you going to have enough money left over to, you know, put food on the table or take a vacation? And where do you draw that line? Where do you draw the line? And that's the crux of what I want you to walk away from this video. I can't tell you where to draw the line. You have to do a lot of reading, a lot of studying, you have to talk to professionals, and you have to follow your own intuition about where you draw that line. But here's the thing. One of the things I do with you in the book is I have you respond to each one of those. Do I want it? Do I need it? If I had enough money, would I just, of course, just go buy it? And at what point does it become important? Life insurance. Like, here's my truth about life insurance. You know, you've all heard me talk about how much I struggled when my daughter was little. But the truth is, like, life insurance was not a choice, because if something happened to me, it would not be okay that I didn't leave something to help her become an adult. It's not okay. And the truth is, like, I didn't need $1 million policy. I bought what was for years a $25 a month policy that would have left her with enough money to at least get her through college and help her get on her feet after that. You know, and I was really looking forward to being done paying for life insurance. At some point, I thought, you know, when she turned 18 maybe. But now I realize, oh, no. It's still, for me, that line is still no. I need to have life insurance. And I'm older, so I don't get to pay $25 a month anymore. But no matter how challenging my financial situation was in those years, that is a payment that I never missed. And so that's what I'm going to want you to think about in this conversation about insurance, is what is it that you know there's a line that you should have? Go do your homework, see how much it costs. If you think you can't afford it and you have kids, like, just go find out how much it is, because you can at least maybe get halfway there. And halfway is better than nothing. So that's what I have to say about insurance. There's a lot more in the book, and the truth is there's a never-ending amount of information about this. I encourage you to learn, read, seek the advice of a professional who's going to teach you and not just sell you a product. And if you have any more questions or want to chat about this, come on over to the Facebook group we have called Team Do Better. Sign up for our weekly newsletter at thefinancegem.com or sign up for our video series below. And have a great day going and making decisions about insurance.